Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a very requested video for y'all today. This is my Lily Jade Danielle in blush, and I just received this one yesterday. This is a beautiful full grain leather bag that Lily Jade has just released recently, probably in the last couple of months. I wanted to get this bag to use as a handbag because I love the size and thought it would be perfect for me, especially on days when I just had myself and say a toddler or a potty trained child. So I have it packed up today for myself. I took it out on my day off. I went and got a pedicure and lunch and ran around, did some errands. So I did wear it over the shoulder with the messenger strap that comes with the bag, as well as crossbody, and it was fairly comfortable. I will say that I kind of wish that this messenger strap was just a tad wider, but I can see why it's the width it is because of the style bag that this is. The blush does come with gold hardware on the nameplate, the D-rings, the little clips of the messenger strap, and the zipper. So it is a pink. It's a very light pink. I really like it. I'm not a big pink person, but I really do like this color. It changes it depending on what light you're in. It is really pretty. So you do have the tassel like on every Lily Jade bag with the jade, and I think the jade just looks so pretty. So I will show you how I have it packed up as a handbag. I also have a few other items with me that I will demonstrate how it fits in the bag, such as an iPad, a planner, because I know a lot of people are into that, and a Y pouch. You can use this as or a diaper bag. I have test packed it. I will do a separate video on that, but for now I'm just going to show you how it worked for me as a handbag. So this is very similar design, I feel, to the Madeline, with the 3 pockets in the front here. It just doesn't have the flap. So if Lily Jade ever wants to redesign a bag like the Madeline, just make this a tad bigger. It would be so popular as a nappy bag, I reckon, because it's a lot of people don't like the flap on the Madeline. These little handles are really cool. I loved being able to just lift it up out of the car. If I had to put the bag, say, from the front seat to the back seat because somebody was sitting in the front seat, or grab it from on the floor in the back, it was just so easy to grab it with these handles rather than having to fuss around trying to find this strap. So I love that they did this. I know a lot of people have said they would rather put the rings here, but I actually don't mind this. I don't find it really gets in the way getting into the bag. It's just, I think it looks really cute. Okay, so starting off on this side pocket here, I have a JuJuBe coin purse, so that kind of gives you an idea of how wide that pocket is. It does kind of bend around here, and this just has some panty liners in here. And in the center here, this is quite a wide pocket here, I have my iPhone 10. Now I normally have an 8 Plus, but I just switched over to my husband's phone because he's no longer using it, so I thought I'd try out the iPhone 10, and I do really like that phone actually. So it's a little smaller than the 8 Plus, and I think it's fantastic size actually for your hand, just off topic there, but that does slide in and out of here really easy. The 8 Plus would fit in there too, so if you have a bigger phone, that would definitely fit in there as well. On this side here, I have my keys with my little lanyard. This is the JuJuBe electric black print. So that's the front pockets. Now I'm just going to turn the bag around. So this is a very long pocket here, and in here is where I kept my wallet for the day, which was really handy because all I needed to do was just kind of reach back here to get my wallet in and out, and I didn't have to go into the main section of the bag. So very smooth zippers, beautiful zippers. You've got the jade lining in here. Now the wallet I used today was my Pure Accessories leather wallet. So it is a fairly long wallet, but I do have some other wallets here, as well as a JuJuBe medium set piece, just to try out in case people are wondering, because I know there are a lot of people out there who are just not sure on what this bag can hold. So this wallet definitely fits in there. JuJuBe Spendy, and I'll just demonstrate that. I actually haven't tried this yet, so I'm curious. Okay, so that easily pops in there. This is actually, I feel like it's a longer pocket that's what's on the Madeline or the Shaylee, to be honest, because this just slid it easy, and you've got a little bit of room on the end there as well. And this is my Spade Lacy, and look how pretty that looks. It's so pretty. So that actually will go in there really nicely too, and zips up perfect. So that fits. I also have a medium set piece and sushi cards, just to show you if that fits in there. This does have a few things in there. It's just my snacks and stuff. I just grabbed it from the lounge room. So let's see if that fits in there. Okay, so you can fit a medium set piece, JuJuBe set piece in that back pocket. So that's kind of nice to know if you just want to put snacks in there for your toddler or something. It's a really good place to put that in that pocket. So we're going to go into the center of the bag now, and I'll show you what I have in there. I only have a couple of things because it was just myself. This does open again with a really, really nice zipper, and it opens nice and wide like this. So that's the inside of the bag there. So I'll just keep it laid down so you can see. This is a very greeny, jadey lining. I feel like it's brighter than the other bags. I might be imagining things, but it does look really green. It's beautiful, don't get me wrong. But I just thought it looked a lot brighter. Maybe my other ones have faded a little bit. So you do have the leather trimmed zipper compartment back here. You have a key fob as well right there, a keychain, and the leather accent logo tag right there. So in this back zip pocket, I actually just put my antibacterial wipes in there. So like on all the other Lily Jade bags, you have two little pockets here, and they're all the same size on all the bags. So in this one, I put my Tokidoki coin purse with my lipstick, lip gloss, and lip crayon in there. Then I just put some mints in the other side as well. Now the only two things I have in here are a Lily Jade Essentials case and my Fugu Thermos Fontainer. Now I know that doesn't seem much, but that's all I needed because there are so many other pockets on the bag that I just utilized those and just put these two things in the center. So this is another item I got yesterday when I got my Danielle, and this is actually really nifty. So this is their rectangle essentials case. It's in brandy with gold hardware and red interior. There is a zipper at the back as well. And in here I just put my mommy things. So I actually have a Tokidoki coin purse with my hairbrush, hair ties, clips and things. I have my small set piece by JuJuBe with all my mommy med kit needs. You've probably seen these in all my videos. If you do want me to go through what I keep in this, just let me know. It hasn't really changed that much, but I will be happy to do that on the next video that I do. And then I also have my Dr. Bonner's Lavender Organic Hand Sanitizer in there as well. And that's it. So that actually kept all those things contained. Normally I have to find separate places in my bag for those, but I really liked using this pouch for those items. And then of course the other thing I had is my Fugu Fontainer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put back in my essentials case, and I will show you what other items can fit in there that you would normally carry if you're using this for work or just as a mom bag. Okay, so I put everything, all the essentials back in there, including my lipstick stuff, my essentials case, the mints and everything. So what I am going to show you is here is a regular size Fontainer. I want to see if that actually fits in there too, which it does. It can easily zip up in there. First thing I'm going to try is my iPad. Now this is I think a 9.7. It's just a regular size iPad with a silicone case. So I'll pop that in there. And that fits perfect. It's just the right size, easy to zip up. I'll also try putting in my planner. This is a Kikiki.K Planner. I don't use planners. I got this to try it and it just wasn't for me, but I do still have it, so I can demonstrate that today. So I will put that in there as well. Okay, so that does fit in there as well. I'm not sure if it's going to zip up. Let's see if it's going to zip up with the iPad in. Okay. So it's not really, especially if I took this out, if I took the drink bottle out, it will definitely zip up with the planner and the iPad in there. You might be able to put a 9-ounce swell bottle or something in the corner there, which might be better than this, because this is quite a thick drink bottle, so that might not be the best choice. But say you just wanted to take your planner, not your iPad, so you can stick that in the corner there, and then it would definitely zip up with the Fontainer and the planner in there, not the iPad. And of course it would be the other way around. It'd be fine the other way around too if you took the planner out and just used the iPad. If you wanted to put in a 30 count Y pouch, you can probably do that easy. Just stick that in there like that if you like to take wipes with you. And definitely does zip up nicely. So I think this would be a really, really cute work bag for people, because those are kind of the essentials that you would take. You might take a few little snacks or something in there, But otherwise, I think it's really nice. See how it's already slouching? I think the leather is just beautiful. I was so happy when I unboxed this yesterday. It's just gorgeous. I'm tempted to get the camel one. I'm not sure though. So I hope that helped you guys get an idea of the size of the Danielle. If you have any questions or comments or anything that you would like to know, or anything you'd like me to do a video showing how certain things fit in there, please pop them down in the comments below and I'd be happy to get onto that. I will try to do the diaper bag packing video maybe tomorrow, but it's just been a crazy day today, so I just did this one for today. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.